Hi, it's Alan Mendelson with another tax tip for your 2021 taxes and your tax return that you're filing this year, 2022. And because so many of us worked from home during the pandemic, we might be entitled to home office deductions. So, just what is and is not tax deductible for home office deductions? As always, check with a tax professional. But here's some guidance from the IRS. Generally, you cannot deduct expenses related to the rent, purchase, maintenance, and repair of your personal residence. That doesn't work. But if you use a portion of your home for business, you may be able to take a home office deduction if you meet certain requirements for that portion of your home used for business. So deductible expenses might include the business portion of real estate taxes, the business portion of your mortgage interest, the business portion of your rent, the business portion of utility charges, insurance charges, depreciation, painting, and repairs. In other words, if you use 10% of your home for a business, 10% of all those other charges could be tax deductible. All right. This is where you have to know the square footage of your home and how much of your home you're actually using for business deduction. Now, those who work out of their homes are entitled to deduct ordinary and necessary expenses related to the business. Okay. Your deductions are limited to the specific area of your home that is used only for your trade or business. Again, you want to know the square footage of your home, the square footage that is dedicated just to your business. And regular use means it's used regularly, not just occasionally or incidentally for your business. For example, you have one room in your house that is your home office. That is a tax deductible area. You have a certain shed built in your backyard to store business material, such as, lumber, hardware, tools. That's a business deduction. Okay? So these are important conditions that you have to apply, and you have to make sure that you're able to justify these expenses. Also, if you work as someone's employee, you can claim the home office deduction only if the regular and exclusive business use of the home is for your employer's convenience, not yours. And your employer does not rent the business portion of your home. If your employer told you to work from home during the pandemic, the employer's convenience has been established. And again, if a portion of your home is used for your home office because you're an accountant, you work from home, you're a bookkeeper, you work from home, you run a hardware repair business, and there's a room in your home or your desk area used for business work only, that's a home office business deduction eligible area. Okay, now here are some business uses that are acceptable for deductions. All right, you meet or deal with patients, clients, or customers there. You've got an office, you've got an area. That's a business deduction area. You have a separate freestanding structure, not attached to your home, such as a studio, a garage, or a barn that you use exclusively and regularly for your trade or business. That's a deductible area. You have a separate and identifiable part of your home that you use regularly for storage, for product samples, as rental property, or as a home daycare facility. You can deduct that area as part of your home office deduction. Remember that personal, family, and living expenses are not deductible under any circumstances. It's got to be for business only. You're going to get caught by the IRS if you deduct your entire house for business. It's not going to work that way. It's got to be a certain particular area of your home. Now, a common area is to deduct expenses for a portion of the home that is not regularly used or exclusively used for business. So be ready to justify your deduction. And it's important to understand the rules, compute the deductions correctly, know that square footage, all right, and keep accurate records for those deductions. It's always advisable to consult with a tax professional, all right? If you have any questions, talk to a tax pro. Also, remember that Legal Tax Defense will give you a free consultation if you have any tax problems or tax issues. Call them up at 800-231-3321. That's 800-231-3321. Here's the phone number again, 800-231-3321. It's a free call. It's a free consultation. Call them up, all right? Call them up. Get that free consultation. Don't just sit there and stew over your tax problems. Let them help you. I'm Alan Mendelson. Thanks for watching.